1. Wow! Good thing we all made the most of the snow. Look at that sunshine, Raggles.
Oh, it's nearly gone.
It's all melting.
No more snow?
I'm afraid not. Come on, let's show everyone the snow photos.
Oh, but I wanted to make a snow rabbit. Bye, Snow. See you next year. Spring! Okie dokie!
Hello, Oakley. Look what I've got.
Oh, well done, Rosie. Ooh, don't we look marvellous?
Snow time!
I have to say, I'm glad spring has sprung. Everything is growing.
Apart from our snowman.
There's not much left, is there, Raggles? It'll be gone soon.
It was a fine snowman.
It would have been even better as a snow rabbit.
Maybe next year, Raggles. Where's Big Bear on this photo?
Oh, yes.
He was sleeping, remember? We couldn't get him to wake up.
Oh, yes. Big Bear always gets sleepy when it's cold.
Come on, Raggles. Let's go and show Will and Holly the snow pictures. See you later, Oakley.
Oh, that was a nice sleep. And a long one. I wonder what everyone's been up to. I hope I didn't miss much while I was asleep.
Look at me sledging!
And look at our snow angels. The snow was so fluffy and soft. Look at you, Raggles. Raggles, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. You can't make a rabbit out of sand.
But the best of all was the
Snowball fight!
Bluebird got everyone.
That's because I'm the best. No one throws a snowball like I do.
Ta-da! Big Bear's here!
Oh, yes. Oh, okay.
I said hello!
Big Bear! You're awake. Did you have a good sleep?
Come and see our snow photos, Big Bear.
Snow? Did it snow?
Did it snow? You mean you slept right through it? It was this deep. We did snowballing and sledging
And built the biggest snowman in the world.
Oh, you mean you didn't see any of it?
No.
Oh, but there was heaps of it everywhere. It was fabulous, fantastic, fantabuloso. Didn't you want to come out and join in?
I didn't know. I was sleeping, remember?
Never mind, Big Bear. We can show you the snow. Come and see the photos.
Look at Bluebird on the sledge.
I am a great sledger.
We all had rides on it.
And I was going to make a snow rabbit.
I like the slide best. It was really fast.
I wish it could snow every day.
Yes, winter's the best.
I don't suppose I'll ever know.
Big Bear?
It's all right, Rosie. It's not your fault I wasn't there. Oh, it looks so much fun, though.
Then we'll help you have fun in the snow.
You will?
But, Rosie, The snow's all gone.
We'll just have to do snow things without the snow.
Oh, it would be fun to make one of those.
Tricky. Hey, sand's a bit like snow.
Yes, maybe we could make sand angels instead.
Sand angels?
You just fall backwards and wave your arms like this. Oh, sand's a lot harder than snow.
It's not very fluffy.
A sand angel? Oh, what else did you do in the snow?
How about we try to make a snow rabbit?
I'd like to do that.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, I don't think sledges slide so well on grass.
Oh.
How about a snowman?
Let's stick with sledging. We just need to make it more slippy.
I know. Wheels. Come on.
1, 2, 3, heave!
Oh, at least we're moving.
It's no good. I can't pull any more.
Oh, too hot. Oh.
Sorry, Big Bear. We've tried everything.
It's just not the same without real snow.
Don't worry, Rosie. You did your best. Maybe I didn't miss so much.
That's right. It was just snow after all.
Just to snow? How can you say that? It was magical. Oops. Well, not really magical. Just a bit wonderful, really.
Thank you for trying. You've all done your best. But if there's no snow left...
If only we could make it snow.
Make snow. That's it. Can you go and find Big Bear and bring him to the orchard? I've got an idea.
Brilliant.
Come on, Raggles. We might just be in time.
In time for what?
I'll tell you on the way.
Oh, we're too late.
It's okay, Raggles. There's just enough. But we'll have to hurry.
Good luck, Rosie.
Thanks, Oakley.
Rosie and Raggles are coming.
Can I open my eyes yet?
Not yet.
Now.
Wow.
Blossom snow. And we've brought you this. It's all that was left, I'm afraid.
It's cold. What is it?
It's snow from the snowman we made.
My own snowball.
Go on, Big Bear. Throw it.
Oh, it's much too special to throw. I'm going to keep mine.
But it'll melt.
I don't care. It's the most beautiful thing anyone's ever given me. Oh, thank you, Rosie.
The snowball.
Oops.
Bullseye.
I'm so glad that Big Bear got to join in the snow. Aren't you, Raggles? Raggles?
Ta-da!
Big Bear had the last snowball, but it looks like you're...
The last snow rabbit. Goal! It's a perfect day for ice hockey. Oh, crisp and cold.
And Big Bear is making hot chocolate and pumpkin cake at his house after the match this afternoon.
Hello, Holly. Are you coming to watch the ice hockey game at the showground?
And I've made you a present.
A present? Ooh, I love presents. Thanks, Holly.
Ta-da! They're to keep you warm.
What are they exactly, Holly?
Ear socks. I knitted them all by myself. Do you like them?
They're, lovely and bright, aren't they, Raggles? Holly made them especially for you.
Oh, thanks, Holly. I've never been given anything like them before.
Hooray! I've been knitting things for everyone. If I hurry, I can finish them all in time for the ice hockey game later.
Ready for the ice hockey game, Big Bear?
Not quite, Will. I've got to finish bringing my pumpkins indoors before the cold weather ruins them.
You've certainly grown a lot this year.
They will last me all winter if they are protected from the cold. I've already filled the potting shed, so I'm taking the others into my den.
Whoa! It's a bit full in here, Big Bear.
Knock, knock. Hello. As official ice hockey referee, I thought I'd come and see how the hot chocolate and pumpkin cake preparations are going.
I got everything ready this morning, Bluebird.
Lovely cake, Big Bear. If anyone can reach it.
Bluebird's got a point, Big Bear. How is everyone going to fit in here after the ice hockey game?
Oh, I hadn't thought of that.
It's because they're all spread out. You need to stack them up properly. What did I tell you? Room for everyone now?
Oh, this has taken ages. Come on, Rosie and Raggles will wonder where we've got to.
You're right, little acorns. Hello, Oakley. Look what I've made you.
For me? Oh, how kind of you, Holly. What do I do with them exactly?
Wear them, of course. They're branch warmers.
Branch warmers?
Everyone will be so warm today. Bend down, Oakley.
Oh, thanks, Holly.
You're welcome. The others are going to need my knitting to keep warm for the ice hockey game. Oh, Woolly! Whippy Kitty!
Sorry, little acorns. It's these branch warmers. They're a bit itchy.
Oh, sorry we're late.
Big Bear has filled his house with pumpkins for the winter. We had to tidy them up.
Ready to play?
You bet. What have you got on your ears, Raggles?
They're ear socks. Holly knitted them for me.
Rather you than me, Raggles.
Positions, everyone! Hello. I've made everyone a present.
Presents? Oh, I like presents.
Here you are, Big Bear. And this is for you, Rosie.
Thank you, Holly.
Will, I've made you these.
Me? Uh-oh. But they're huge.
Holly has worked really hard to knit us these things, Will.
Oh, they're, a huge help, Holly.
I'm so glad you all like my knitting. Now you're all ready to play.
My scarf!
Oh, oh,
And Big Bear's got the puck. It's up.
Where's the ice gone?
I've got it, Rosie! Mind out, Big Bear!
Not again.
And it looks like Will's going to score.
Here I come. Whoa!
And Will falls.
I was tripped up. That's your fault, Raggles.
Don't blame me. It's these stupid ear socks.
Oops. Raggles didn't mean it. Did you, Raggles?
It's okay, Rosie. Raggles is right. I haven't made very useful things after all. I'm sorry I spoiled the game.
Don't go, Holly.
I'm going to see Oakley. At least he liked his branch warmers.
I didn't mean to upset her, Rosie.
I know you didn't, Raggles.
I'll go and tell her I'm sorry.
I think we need to show Holly just how much she means to us.
Do you think she'd still like to have hot chocolate and pumpkin cake at my house?
Good idea, Big Bear.
I'll go and tell her.
Right, I'll make the hot chocolate.
And I'll cut up the pumpkin cake. Speaking of pumpkins, are they safe like that?
Of course they're safe. Look!
Look out, Big Bear!
Whoa!
Oh no, the milk!
And the cake! The poor squashed cake.
I've got plenty more milk and cake, but I'm afraid there's just no room for our party.
I'm sorry I'm not wearing them, Holly. You see, trees don't really need branch warmers.
I didn't mean to upset you, Holly. I'll wear my ear socks every day from now on.
It's all right, Raggles. They weren't very good as ear socks, were they?
No.
You should have seen Will trying to hold a hockey stick with his mittens. At least I found a use for my knitting. It's made everyone laugh.
We did look funny. Holly, we all wanted to say thank you for trying to keep us warm. Will you come to Big Bear's den with us? He's making you a special hot chocolate.
Yum! Calamity! Disaster! Terrible news! The party's off.
Oh.
Big Bear's den has got pumpkins rolling all over it. They've squashed everything.
Pumpkins?
Whee! Maggie!
Quiet up there, little acorns.
I think it's stuck.
It's okay, little acorn. I'll get you.
Maybe we should keep it in there, out of trouble.
Keep it in there. Of course. Oakley, you're a genius. Come on, Holly. We're going to need all the knitting you've got.
Ready?
Pumpkin hammocks.
The perfect way to store all your pumpkins, Big Bear. More hammocks, Holly.
I don't think I can knit that fast.
Then maybe we should all help. Haven't you forgotten something, Raggles?
Shower, pajamas, brush teeth. That's everything, isn't it?
What about these?
Do I have to wear them, Rosie?
Who said anything about wearing them? They make perfect hockey stick covers.
But despite everyone looking, no one ever found the mysterious creature they call the Abominable Snowman. All they ever saw was a trail of giant footprints in the snow.
Oh, that's amazing.
So nobody has ever seen the Abominable Snowman?
Never.
Look, some mysterious big footprints. I'm going to follow them.
Have fun. Come back and tell me if you find anything.
Archie, are you all right?
I have never seen snow before. I come from a hot country. I like the snow. But look, it is so chilly, I have turned blue.
Try these. They should keep you warm.
That is better. Thank you. Now, what do you do with this snow? Whatever it is, I bet I will be brilliant at it.
Snowballs!
Skiing! Skating!
Catching snowflakes!
Snow angels! I make the best snow angels ever! Watch! Woo! Woo!
Wow!
Lovely!
That's great!
Not bad, but I think I can make one even better. Ay, caramba! Wait, let me try again.
Making snow angels might not be your thing. Come with me and we'll try something else.
I'll come too!
And me?
Me too!
I'll stay here with Big Bear. See you later.
Another set of footprints. I must be following two abominable snowmen.
Big Bear, I think you're following your own footprints.
Oh, yes, silly me. Maybe we could look together. Will you help me?
Oh, yes, I'd love to.
I think we should try that way.
Good luck.
Bye, Oakley.
Oakley.
Big Bear and Rosie, the great snowman explorers.
More footprints.
And this time, they definitely don't belong to us. Archie? Oh, you're not the abominable snowman.
No, I am just practicing making snow angels.
Archie, come on! We're waiting!
I think I will be better at the next snowy day thing I try. See you.
Where to now, Big Bear?
I think that way.
Now, I have a good feeling about this ice skating.
Oh, it's easy. Watch! Hooray!
There you go, Archie. You're all ready. Fabulous!
Wow!
Yes, not bad. But watch me. Oh,
Archie, are you okay?
I'm not hurt, but maybe I am not the best at this either.
Don't worry, Archie. I know another snowy day thing you can try.
A race across the snow? Ha ha! This one I think I will definitely win.
We'll see about that.
On your marks, get set.
Go!
Hey! I was going to say that.
What do you think the Abominable Snowman is like, Big Bear?
Well, he's big, and I don't think he likes being seen.
Maybe he's shy.
Look, Rosie, more footprints. Oh, they're not mine.
And they're not mine either.
Oh, come on.
We're nearly at the centre of the maze. We're about to see the Abominable...
Yay! I'm the winner!
Raggles.
Oh, Raggles. Have you seen the abominable snowman around here?
Big Bear, I think think it was Raggles' footprints we were following.
A second!
Lost again. Oh, when will I ever find the snowy day thing I am best at?
Don't worry, Archie. There's something else you can try.
And there's somewhere else we can look. Over there. See you later.
Sledging. I think I will be the best. Don't go too fast, will you?
On your marks, get set.
Go! You could go a bit faster than that. Eh? Hey, this is not fair. I am too light.
Yes! The winner!
Look, Rosie, a footprint. And look how far away the next one is. He must be E. No, must. Rosie, this is it.
Don't keep dropping it.
I'm not dropping it. You're the one dropping it.
I'm not so sure.
Oh, it's just Manny and Teal. Would you like some help with that?
Yes, please. It's my lovely cosy winter nest, but Teal keeps dropping it.
I keep dropping it.
Here, let me. Over here.
Okay, Archie, sledging's not your thing, but how about making a snowman?
Oh, yes. I'm going to make the biggest snowman ever.
I don't think I'm ever going to find the abominable snowman.
Perhaps it was just a story after all, just like Oakley said.
And now I present to you the biggest snowman you have ever seen.
It's very snowy.
It is. It's just, it's not that big. See?
Oh, that's it. I lose again. Oh, there is nothing I can do in the snow that I am best at. Hey, stop!
Are you all right, Archie?
Yes, thank you.
Big Bear, you look like a giant snowman.
So I do.
Here, let me do this. Who's this coming up the hill?
I may not have found the abominable snowman, but look, I'm the abominable snow bear.
And I did build the biggest snowman after all.
You did it, Archie.
It's a bit cold being the abominable snow bear, though. But tasty.
Look, I can see the abominable snowman behind that tree. Come on, Rosie, come and see. Rosie?
Boo!
Ah! Oh, I was going to pretend to be the abominable snow rabbit and say boo to you.